Good morning.
Staying another night?
No, heading out tonight.
Yeah, we are too.
Well, we're all packed up. We're heading out. Duke's is gonna sleep the whole time, and we're gonna stop off somewhere. I'm not sure where, but on our way home. And I would show you guys more of the. Oh, I can show you now since they left. All right, let's show you. So ours is called a buddy loop, which 40 and 41 share a driveway. So if you got a big rig, you're gonna come in right here, stop here, and go off that way. And then this one's over here. But the good thing about this is that if you got family and friends that want to do it, you can have 1, 2, and a couple tents. So this is 41. And you got your trail. It'll take you around, and it'll take you all the way down to the museum area. So this is definitely a good site if you guys want to do a family camping deal. So alright, well, this concludes this episode here at beautiful Silver Springs, and I am definitely coming back to this one. There's no doubt about that, just because this is a good little spot, that's for sure. So let's even though we had a hiccup yesterday and got a flat tire, I'm glad I got a good spare, and it's a normal size spare, so it's not like I have to go like stick to a 50-mile-per-hour deal. So anyways, guys, American Freedom Tour 2023. American Freedom Tour 2024 is getting fired up.